Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today, we have a very useful video. If you have plugged in a new hard drive or an old external disk and it shows up as unallocated space in Windows 11, you won't be able to see it in your File Explorer or store any files on it. I will show you exactly how to initialize the drive and create a new partition so you can start using your storage immediately. Let's get started. First, we need to access the main Windows tool that manages all of your physical storage hardware. Right-click directly on the Start menu icon on your taskbar and select Disk Management. Once the window opens, look at the list of drives at the bottom. You will see a disk with a black bar over it that is labeled as Unallocated. This means the space exists, but Windows hasn't been told how to use it yet. If your drive is brand new, a pop-up might appear asking you to initialize the disk. If it doesn't, simply right-click on the left-hand square where it says Disk 1 or Disk 2 and select Initialize Disk. In the window that appears, make sure GPT or GUID Partition Table is selected, as this is the modern standard for Windows 11, and click OK. If your drive was already initialized but is still unallocated, you can skip this part and move straight to the next step. Now, we're going to turn that black unallocated bar into a usable blue partition. Right-click directly on the black bar area and select New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next. Leave the volume size as the maximum allowed and click Next again. Now, choose any available drive letter from the drop-down menu, like D or E, and click Next. Finally, we need to format the space so Windows can read and write files to it. On the Format Partition screen, make sure the file system is set to NTFS, which is best for internal drives, or EXFAT if you plan to use it with Macs as well. Keep the Perform a Quick Format box checked, give your drive a name in the Volume label box, and click Next, followed by Finish. The black bar will instantly turn blue, and your hard drive will now show up in File Explorer, fully fixed and ready for your data. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.